Hey there, everyone, welcome back to Doko's Reviews. Today we're going to talk about what I have here is the wireless Logitech G502 LightSpeed. And I know the Logitech G502 Hero has been out for a while. This also has been out for a while, but I had an opportunity to get one because my other gaming mouse kind of like went south on me, and that's the reason why. So when I upgraded, I didn't realize how good this mouse is. But anyways, having said that, we will jump into the review and I'll give you some of my thoughts about this LightSpeed version versus the Hero version. You can't really tell the difference, but anyone that has the Hero version can vouch that that is a very good gaming mouse. And this is their LightSpeed wireless version, the Logitech G502. So we're going to do a little overall review of that, and I'm going to share with you some of my thoughts and what I think that makes this mouse perfect for those of you that has been waiting for wireless capability. Now is your opportunity to go out and buy one of these, but I guess the main concern for all gamers is the latency, right? There's a lag. But after playing around with this for about a month, I will share with you some of my thoughts and experience why I think that this is better than the Logitech G502 Hero. Check it out. Hey, oh, your way, analatu, anatawele kiateau, si imafononga he one, henna amatopu va etahape. Whoa, whoa, yeah, mate matonga. So the real question, what makes the Logitech Hero G502 different from the Logitech LightSpeed G502? As you can see on this picture, they're very identical and you can't really tell the difference. As far as internal, the Hero weighs 121 grams versus the LightSpeed only weighs 114 grams. So just before we move on, I just wanted to point something out. The Logitech LightSpeed G502 is a little bit heavier than the Logitech G502 Hero, and the reason why, because of its custom weight, as you can see here. So you all wondering why Logitech decided to call this the LightSpeed wireless gaming mouse. Well, there's only one simple reason. A lot of competitors, they love using this type of technology, not just because this has the next generation Hero 25K sensor, but it also has a LightSpeed capability. And what that means is when you click on that button, it doesn't take 2 or 3 or 4 seconds to communicate with your computer. It only takes 1 second. So when you click, it's already there. And a lot of competitors on eSport, all the pros, they use this feature because it's very important for them. That actually makes it more competitive. So there's no one, trying to cheat or trying to say my mouse wasn't up to par. As far as sensor goes, the Logitech LightSpeed G502 has one of the best sensors in the world. This has the Hero 25K sensor. As you guys can see, this thing has a whopping 400 plus IPS tracking speed. Okay, and it has 25.600 DPI range, up to 10 times more power efficiency. What does that mean for gamers? You can do more. Every movement count. Every point, every scrolling, just everything count, because this sensor is a beast. And that's why I think that this gaming mouse is one of the best mouse out there as far as wireless goes. Yeah. Everything out there now for PC is RGB. RGB this, RGB light sync this, RGB that, and RGB and more RGB. So as you can see here, you can sync this pretty much to all your Logitech RGB compatible devices and more RGB. Looking at the LightSpeed G502, this mouse was reinvented from the ground up with all the new features. Also, I just wanted to point out that this still holds the same curvedness that the pros like when using the Logitech G502 mouse. It also shredded 7 grams, which makes it a little bit lighter depending on the weight that comes with it and how you like to customize your mouse. Some people like it lighter, some people like it heavy, the back and the front or the sides. And by doing so, you can find your best pressure point for how your hand react and what is more comfortable it'll make for you when playing a game, especially like I said before, that 400 and plus, and that 25.600 DPI is very important. And I think that's where the weight will make a difference. If you didn't know, that's very important also. So I just thought to point that out. So this has two weight mounts. So it has one in that circle clip, and then when you clip that off in the middle, you have the rest of the weight there. So that's why this one is heavier than the Logitech G502 Hero. Some things I wanted to point out. This has 16.8 million light sync RGB. I don't know how much RGB that is, but that's a lot. 16.8 million. I've never seen RGB with that much color before. I've never seen that. Anyways, this has the same texture rubber grip as the Hero. It also has the left and right tilt, and it also has the G shift button. But one thing that's interesting is the hyper fast scroll wheel, and I'll show you right now. The hyper fast scroll wheel. So once you unclick it, it is free flow scroll. Check that out. That is super fast. You imagine scrolling through a page, and then if you want control, you put it back to clicking, and there you go. So just in case if you're wondering what comes in the box when you buy the Logitech LightSpeed G502, you pretty much get the same thing as when you buy the Hero, because it's the wire version. The only difference is the weight, and also the USB charging cable when you want to charge your mouse, and the USB device that goes into your computer. But other than that, it is the same thing, beside it being a little bit heavier, and now it's wireless compared to the Hero. So there's some pretty cool peripherals that you can get for this Logitech LightSpeed G502. It's the LightSpeed wireless technology gaming mousepad, and as you can see, this thing can charge your mouse as you're playing games and stuff like that. And one thing that's cool about this thing, will keep you going, and I mean all day. Just as you can see in the picture, it's infinity power all day without you even plugging in the wire. It'll charge it wirelessly, and it just keeps you going and going. But this does come with a hefty price. It's $119.99, so basically 120 bucks. Is it really worth it? Would it make your game even better? I'll leave that up to you. So as far as customization, this has 11 programmable buttons that you can fully program in the Logitech app. And the reason why I'm bringing this up, because I feel this is very important, because I had issue with this in the beginning when I first got this mouse. So I had to configure it to where, and program the buttons to how I like it. And you know, guys, that saying, it is true. It all depends on, you know, it boils down to personal preference. We're all different. You know, some people might like the shooting button on the right side instead of the left, and some people might like the shooting button in the default area. So it would be the left button, and the right would be zoom. And you know, when it comes down to personal preference, if you guys haven't tried this, try it, because it will enhance your gaming experience, and you will get a better feel for what I mean when you customize the mouse to how you like it. So having said that, thank you for watching Doko's reviews, and thank you guys for really following me all the time. As you guys can see, I have finally got close to 70 plus subscribers, and I'm very grateful for all you guys that have subscribed and support my channel. And like always, if you guys like content like this, go ahead and hit that like button. If you guys are new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button. It is free, guys. You guys would be helping me out for what I'm trying to do, and I greatly appreciate you guys. And like always, Ofatu from Doko's Reviews. Peace.
On Vainha loto moko moko Faisi uanga Kona limali kata kata Komado